Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and today it has come. I finally got the package that I really wanted to get. It is a fake collie with purple eyes. It's really sorry. She's so beautiful. I jumped out of excitement. And yeah, I might make another video about her, but I don't want to give any spoilers about it, so let's do it. So we have the package right here. So we can open it now. I'm gonna open this up. Okay, so first we have this little cute phone. It actually has detail on it. Like it has the apps. It's a phone case. Now we also have this. Is this okay? Let's see. Oh no. Oh, this is actually a skirt. So you can put it on your finger, but it's supposed to go on your LPS. Yeah. We have this cute bow. It's purple bow. And we also have this bone. Now, time for the real surprise. The LPS! I'm so excited. Okay, let's see. Ugh. Here she is. She's so cute. She's LPS size. She's the LPS logo. She's really white in the head. She's really cute. She has beautiful eyes, as you can tell. And she has blue fade. But anyways guys, that is it for today's video. Yes, I actually might be making another video about this, but I don't want to give any spoilers. So make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And yeah, have a nice day, guys.